This is real world, not commercial. Not commercial KitchenAid. This is real world pasta making. All right, what do we got here, babe?
We're gonna put this on. I remember. Where'd you film it?
Oh boy, look. Yeah. Look.
But there we go.
All right, here we go.
Wait, this can't be on yet.
No.
No, we gotta mix first.
Oh boy, it's going south quick. Jacob's not going to be giving us a thumbs up on this. I know. There's only 6 people going to see this, babe.
Okay.
It's okay.
Hold on. We're getting some measuring cup.
And I think we're 3 of them.
I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, we're putting the flour in. I have in here 4.5 cups of flour.
4.5 cups. Gotcha. All right. We got about 4.
Maybe a little less.
We're close to 4 now. All right.
Salt.
We got the paddle on there. How much salt we putting in?
Over a teaspoon.
A good helping teaspoon. All right.
Okay. So we're following their recipe. We're just upping it a little bit.
All right.
So flour and salt in the bowl. Flat beater's on. Turn speed to 2. And gradually add the eggs. Okay.
Okay. Here
Do
we
you
go.
want to turn the speed to 2?
No, it's okay. It's okay. I got the motor from the kitchen the other day, so.
You did. We can still do the speed. So that's going to go for 2 minutes, and then we're going to let the dough rest for 20.
Okay, so we got to put this on for 2 minutes.
Well, it's been 2 minutes.
And 2 minutes. And that's kind of what we got right there. I don't know. I'm going to give it a shot in a minute.
Okay, so we're stopping it now, because according to this, it now has to rest for 20 minutes.
Do you put it in a bowl or no?
Just says let dough rest for 20 minutes, then take it out of the bowl.
Do you like it in a bowl?
Well, I like it when you can form it on the countertop without it falling apart.
Okay. Alright, so that come out, I don't know, let's see.
It's we're gonna let it rest, but it seems pretty crumbly.
So far, KitchenAid's instructions, not that good.
It doesn't look like the KitchenAid video.
But we did adjust the
Yeah, but
ingredients a
even
little
before when we did it exactly like that. But let's see. But look when I go like this, it sticks. So that might be good.
bit. Okay. All
So
right.
we'll let it rest like it says. We'll cover it.
So back in 20.
Now we have done this a few times, and we found with the pasta attachment that we have, it works a lot better when it's very dry. So it's harder to knead and handle, but when it's really dry, it seems to go through a lot easier. It doesn't stick to it, and you'll see.
Otherwise, you're going to spend countless time cleaning that attachment out.
Is countless the same as a lot of time?
Yes, if you're a factory worker. It actually feels a lot better this time too. How long are we supposed to do this?
Until it says until it comes together and goes smooth ball.
Yeah, it's together. We're good.
I think you're gonna need it longer.
No.
Read the instructions. It's right under the attachment.
Yeah, it says dough may appear crumbly. Hand knead for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So I think we're good there.
Okay. So then you're supposed to
We're good.
make little tiny walnut-sized balls.
This thing here comes with a screw, and you just rotate it till it drops in. This little thing, if you look around the outside, there's a wider little slot on the one side, which that drops into. And this slides into the front. Locks in. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, we're back online. Google Pixel had a little issue there. So, what we found is something like this size. Just kind of roll it in a little flour on the way in. And then, what speed do we put this
Okay,
on?
so in the book it has different speeds for the defrosters. It's right at the front somewhere. So those are all the attachments. But
I think it was 11, wasn't it?
we're doing the rigatoni at 6.
Alright. So, let's fly this up to 6.
Just an update. We are 20 minutes into this, and this is what we have going on right now. And we're almost through our pile of dough.
So we're about how long into this process now?
I'm
40,
saying an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
Don't laugh, Jacob. Tell them we need subscribers. Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Tell me when with the sauce.
Tell you when with the sauce. And